the clap of my hands... Wait, what? There we go. The only thing that was missing is the zebra. So I got the next best thing, a zebra isopod, and his extended family. Oh, they're going everywhere. Time to add them in. I finished all the easy animals, but now we can move on to the more dangerous ones. So I'll start by building the forest, which will be home to Cupcake. Oh no. I have no idea how this thing is even legal. Wait, is it dead? Oh, she's definitely not dead. Alright, I probably should have built your tank first. Don't go anywhere. It looks perfect. Unlike... I'm going to try to pick her up.